What are you guys doing? What are you making?
Making coffee.
Coffee? Kaden, what are you making?
Coffee too.
You making coffee too? Can you make me some pancakes? Okay. Are you guys stirring each other's bowls? Is it hot?
No.
What is it?
Cold.
Oh, yeah.
Cold.
Is it yummy? Be careful.